Kardex systems are used as an integral part of our production process. We use them from the beginning of the manual tooling process until the very end. These systems allow a higher automation of the production line, which works virtually without operators' intervention. This means that we could give up our traditional tooling process. The whole production process is automated and controlled directly from a PC. In our company, the automation of the production line has brought about a shortening of the time needed to change over the relevant components of the tooling process. Kardex systems help us to produce an adequate number of half-finished products and cut down the setup to completion time to the minimum. This saves time, and we can immediately continue with the production of the components. The installation, which also includes integration with the robotic arms, was very complex and quite complicated, but didn't take more than 10 to 14 days in total. We are very satisfied. The installation, service and contact with Kardex representatives is very open. They were and are ready to listen to requests that appeared during the installation process and during everyday use of the systems.